Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the basics right. Make sure your AirPods have enough charge and the case is open so they enter pairing. On Windows, go to Settings, right arrow Devices, right arrow Add Bluetooth or Other Device and choose Bluetooth. Press the AirPods pairing button until the LED flashes. This tells the PC to see them. Once paired, the PC will default to a stereo profile. You need to switch to the hands-free profile for the mic to work, which we'll do next. Once paired, open Control Panel, right arrow Sound, and go to the Recording tab so you can see both stereo and hands-free entries. You must pick the entry labeled hands-free or headset and set it as the default communication device. This routes incoming audio differently and activates the mic. Then open Properties, right arrow Levels to raise gain a bit, and Properties, right arrow Advance to match the sample rate like 16-bit, 44,100 Hz. These settings ensure compatibility and reduce dropouts when you actually speak. Now verify everything by recording in Voice Recorder or configuring your app's audio input to the AirPods hands-free device. Speak and watch levels move. If the app still uses stereo output without the mic, manually pick the hands-free device in that app's audio settings. If audio drops or the mic is silent, disconnect and reconnect the AirPods, update your Bluetooth driver, or try a USB Bluetooth adapter, the single most helpful fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.